The mixer brush tool is like a real paint brush, and using the mixer brush tool is like painting on the canvas. It mixes the color of the brush with the background color. To load paint, choose a foreground color using the color picker dialog. You can do all the brush settings using the options in the options bar while applying this brush on the canvas. The Dodge tool allows you to lighten specific areas of your image without affecting the hue or saturation. You can adjust the brush size, exposure, and range of the tool in the options bar. You can choose a hard brush to apply this tool. I'm going to move this tool over certain portions of this image with the face of the lady here. I want to lighten only certain areas of this image so that I can create a more 3D appearance. There are other ways to make adjustments to the overall brightness and hue of an image, but they generally apply the changes all over the image, giving the image a rather flat appearance. Once I am done with the Dodge tool, I will show you how changing the hue works in Photoshop so that you understand the differences between the Dodge tool and other methods of changing the color of an image. To create a better 3D rendering, you can choose the Burn tool, as this tool darkens the portions of the image where you apply it. The hue saturation feature can change the colors that are already there in the image by making them darker or lighter. It can also completely alter the color if you prefer, such as by changing all shades of browns to purples. I am making this selection around the lips using the Poly Lasso tool, as I want to change the lipstick shade here. I am going to press Ctrl plus U in the keyboard to open the Hue Saturation dialog box. I am going to keep the colorized checkbox checked. I will now adjust the lightness, hue and saturation in the sliders. To apply the effects, click on OK in the dialog box.